And Frontier Flight 1230 short of taxiway Alpha, ready for taxi instructions.
500.
Frontier Flight 1230, runway 10 right, taxi via Alpha Echo Bravo Zulu Zulu 1.
400.
Runway 10 right, Alpha Echo Bravo Zulu Zulu 1 for
300.
Frontier Flight 1230.
200. 100. 50. 40. 30. 20. 10.
And NorCal departure, Frontier Flight 1230. Just to confirm, we got 10 left on our PDC. Are we still getting 10 left, or do you want to switch to 10 right, Frontier Flight 1230?
Frontier Flight 1230, sorry, that's my mistake. Runway 10 left, taxi via Alpha Echo Bravo Zulu Sierra Sierra 1.
Alright, no worries. 10 right, Alpha Echo, or 10 left, correction. Alpha Echo Bravo Zulu Sierra Sierra 1 for Frontier Flight 1230.
United 2117, turn left Echo, safe parking. United 2117, what gate are you parking at?